Take a look at this extremely nice 2008 BMW 650i two-door coupe, black with the alloy wheels, beautiful condition, out-of-state vehicle. We just had it washed. It's got dual exhaust. It's a clean title vehicle. Look at the front on this vehicle. It's absolutely beautiful. High intensity headlights, fog lights, front parking sensors. There's no hail on this clean title vehicle. Condition of the tires are really nice. Under the hood is a powerful V8. Sounds really healthy. Inside, this is black on black. Automatic transmission, parking sensors, paddle shifting, easy access to the back, power sunroof. Look at the spacious trunk. LED tail lights. That beeping that you hear, that's the parking sensors as we walk in front and back. Let's take you on a short test ride. Okay guys, welcome inside the BMW. Let me show you the cluster of the vehicle. Now it does have a airbag light, but no check engine, not even a low tire light on. No misfire. Engine sounds really healthy. With this rotary dial, you control different steps on the vehicle. There is the warning for the restraint system, navigation, and then the entertainment as well. Automatic transmission, reverse, and then drive.
Stacy Hodge, KS35. Stacy! She just pointed her finger at me. She's out there.
Now we've had a lot of BMW 650s in the past. This one, the body is really clean. There goes the power moonroof.
Be there in a second. Jeez, I'm busy out here. Very busy.
She said on the floor.
Exact miles are 106 to 108. Let's take you on a short drive. Let's show you how the transmission shifts, how the engine is. Where are seatbelts here? Very powerful car. One touch windows up. As you see, the transmission shifts nice. Vehicle drives straight. Brakes feel good. Signals, lighting gauges are fully functional. Front end is tight. It's a really nice vehicle aside from the airbag light. We tried our best to detail the vehicle, but if it gets done professionally, this car is really clean. All we did is just wash it and vacuum the inside. This is the way the vehicle came to us. You even have your heated seats for the front occupants. Interior is in really nice shape. Looks like it could use a windshield wiper as well. They do work. You have your home link system. Let's check the glove box there. There's a deep storage. There's a key fob. It's a nice runner. It drives good. Financing is also available. All we ask you to do is log on to our website, rideautosale.com. Fill up a short and simple online application and will come to us directly. We'd be happy to work on it. Any additional questions, requests you may have regarding this vehicle, feel free to contact us at Ride Auto Sale. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.